I like you learn many songs, and there's a tempo and the rhythm of it. It was a bit hard and a bit confusing since I was new to it, but soon I got used to it. It would be the chords because I didn't have the calculs at that time, and the speed. I practiced.
Determination.
Yeah. I practiced the chords by putting one finger first, and then the next, and then the last one, if there's three. Yeah, I have done a performance in my classroom. I played Seven Nation Army. It got the crowd up because my entire school loves rock music, any kind. Like I'm a noble of a kind. Super happy. I'm going to play Hallelujah.